Welcome everyone to my YouTube channel. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can create an overlay using Capcut for your projects. In order for you to do so, what you do is you click on new project. Once you click on new project, you select the video which you want to apply the overlay on. So in this case, I'll be using this. So I'll click on the video. So once you're sure that's the video you want to use, you click on add. Now once you click on add, the next thing, this is the video, you can play to see how it is. So once you're done with this, the next thing for you to do is to bring in your overlay. So in order for you to do this, you come to where you have this toolbar and locate overlay. Then you click on it. Once you click on the overlay, you see the next things that pop up here, add overlay. Then you click on the add overlay. You bring in the overlay which you must have downloaded and store it in your phone. So all you need to do is to go ahead and pick the overlay. And this is it. Okay, once you have this, you resize it to fit in to the screen. Okay, having achieved this, okay, this is it. And if you notice, your overlay is smaller than your video. So what can you do? You can choose to duplicate this overlay if you want it to run throughout the whole video. So you can duplicate the overlay, and in order to do that, to duplicate the overlay, you still go back to your overlay, still come back to where you have add overlay and bring in the same overlay. That is, if you want the overlay to extend throughout the whole video. Okay, so with this, you've gotten what you want. Then with this, you can choose to take away this other part if you want. Okay, so with this is what you have. This is it. And now the next thing for you to do, you want to make this overlay blend with your video. What you do, you click on the overlay. You've seen the overlay is highlighted. So once you highlight the overlay, you come to where you have splice. You click on it. Now once you click on it, you have different option. You have filter, darken, overlay, slide, lighten, hard, soft bond, color bond, and the rest of it. So you can choose any of this depending on the kind of video you're working on. So for this video, I'll be picking lighten. So if I click on lighten, you've seen the dark background is done, and what is left is the butterfly. Then if you play this video, you see that you can also choose to reduce the opacity. I've reduced it to 82. Okay, so once you're done and you see it is okay, you can now click here. So you also do same to this other layer you brought in. You still go back to where you have your splice, then you still choose the same effect you use, which is lightening. Then you also reduce the opacity to 82. Remember, all you want to do is to make your video in uniform. Okay, so that is done. With this, you have that. So if you play this video from the beginning, with this, you've been able to achieve your result. Now, and towards the end of this, you see Capcut. If you don't need this, you can click on it and take it out. Then your video, you can also, if you don't need the background music, you can choose to mute it. But if you're okay with it, you let it be. You let it be. So the next thing you do is for you to export your work. In order to export your work, you click here to export your work. Okay, so you just click there and your work, is exporting. So that's it on how you can apply overlay to your video. I believe you've learned something new through this video. So please help subscribe to this channel. See you in the next tutorial.